one more time. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Honorable Director Sir, faculty members and my dear classmates. This is Shubham Patel in front of you. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to Sir that he gave me an opportunity to stand on the podium and express my views in front of you. Today I am very happy to be sharing with you about my topic. My topic is how to inspire others. It has been found in a research that 95% people earn 5% of the money and remaining 5% of the people earn 95%. Individuals, the thing that matters is their plan, their attitude towards success and their inspiration. Yes, for this is the inspiration that matters a lot, and it's up to you to whom you make your inspiration. Some people get inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Some get inspired by Ratan Tata, Lakshmi Mittal, Dhirubhai Ambani, Sachin Tendulkar, Bill Gates, and some get inspired by Dawood Ibrahim, Osama bin Laden, Ram Gujjar. This is the inspiration of a person that decided his career. Where is he about to go and what is he about to achieve in his life? Before going further, I would like to share with you what inspiration means and what values has it got in a man's life. Inspiration is a way of motivation that makes a person feel that I can, I will, and I am. And it's up to you what kind of inspiration you adopt for your career. But remember that the inspiration you adopt for your career, in the same way you are going to build your future. Today I am happy to talk to you something over how to inspire others. It's a mistake to try to change others. Real change can only come from inspiration. When we seek to change others, we meet only with frustration. However, we can get positive response by inspiration others to do the best. To inspire others, we need not be widely successful. We need not be powerful. To inspire others, we need to put example in front of them. We need to make them feel that they can, they will, and they are. Here I am going to share with you some tips that will play a vital role to inspire a dejected person. Encourage positive attitude. Encouragement is the best way to inspire anyone, and to encourage anyone, we need to tell him his best qualities that he has. We need to make them feel that he can, he will, and he is. Be inspired yourself. You cannot make others feel good if you don't feel yourself. Same as you cannot inspire others if you are not self-inspired. Look for the people, ideas, environment, and knowledge that you find inspiring and motivating to yourself. Sincerity. Sincerity means to act with honesty and passion. An insincere person is easily drawn by social attitudes. A sincere person has faith on what he is doing and how he is life living. If we help anybody becoming sincere, that means we are helping him to finish his half of the task. Be a good example. People watch what you do more than what you say. Great people are not great because of their technique, but they are great because of their inspiration. Strength doesn't come from winning, but your struggle develop your strength. Success seems to be connected with action. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. Be a good communication. To inspire others, a good communication plays a vital role to inspire others. But remember, a loud voice cannot complete a clear voice. So always try to be clear, not loud. My last point, challenge the people. Challenges have always created some good and historical results. If we go through our history, we find that challenges have made Black Sheep a miraculous person. So friends, remember, strength doesn't come from physical capacity. Strength doesn't come from physical capacity, but it comes from indomitable will. Develop the inspiration for learning. And you will never cease to grow. Follow your inspiration, and success will definitely follow you. With this word, I would like to stop my topic. Thank you very much for listening me so patiently. Wait, sir. I would like to share with you few Hindi lines. So listen me. बुलबुल के पैमाने कभी बाज नहीं आते, बुलबुल के पैमाने कभी बाज नहीं आते, रोने से बिगड़े मुकद्दर बन नहीं जाते, रोने से बिगड़े मुकद्दर बन नहीं जाते, जिन्हें पड़ जाती है झुक झुक के जीने की आदत, जिन्हें पड़ जाती है झुक झुक के जीने की आदत, उनके सर पे कभी ताज नहीं आते, उनके सर पे कभी ताज नहीं आते। थैंक यू वेरी मच।